Let's explore pioglitazone, a medication used to manage type 2 diabetes by improving the way your body uses insulin. Pioglitazone belongs to a class of drugs called TZDs. Unlike insulin or sulfonylureas, it doesn't make your pancreas release more insulin. Instead, it works by increasing your body's insulin sensitivity, especially in muscle, fat, and liver cells. That means your cells respond better to the insulin you already produce. It's taken once daily with or without food, and it can take a few weeks to see full results. Benefits include better blood sugar control over time, can be used alone or with other diabetes meds, low risk of hypoglycemia when taken alone, but there are some important risks and side effects to consider. Weight gain, especially from fluid retention, swelling in the legs or ankles, increased risk of heart failure in some people, possible higher risk of bone fractures, especially in women. It's generally avoided in people with heart failure or severe liver disease. Pioglitazone can also take several weeks to fully work, so it's not ideal for quick fixes. Bottom line, pioglitazone improves insulin sensitivity and long-term glucose control, but should be used with caution, especially in those with heart or bone issues. Talk to your doctor about whether pioglitazone fits into your treatment plan. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more medical animations.